Good morning and happy Friday. Welcome back to Holistic Healing Savory Meals. Today I have included some breakfast, brunch, dinner, light recipes for the springtime. Healthy, delicious, and nutritious. Enjoy your weekend and be safe. If you have any questions, please leave me a message in the comments. These meals are diabetic friendly, dialysis friendly, and also vegetarian friendly and vegan friendly. Enjoy your day. See you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.